Engineering management. Picha Kucha for controlling presentation. I'm fully accountable for the strategies we discussed. Today, I will address your queries on market strategy, scalability, and risk grounded strictly in data and logical frameworks. For addressing Q1 market penetration, your first question challenged our market penetration timeline, suggesting it is overly aggressive. This is a valid merit-based critique. We must avoid blind spots regarding customer acquisition costs. Let's look objectively at the industry evidence to address the specific concern. The data-driven rationale. Historical data shows competitors took 18 months to reach this threshold. However, our predictive models based on recent A/B testing indicate a 30% higher conversion rate due to our proprietary feature set. This quantitative advantage justifies our accelerated timeline. Extreme ownership in action. That said, applying extreme owners means recognizing we were currently fall short. Our present bottleneck is top of tunnel leading generation. I own this deficit to resolve it. We are immediately relocating 20% of the Q3 budget to direct response marketing channels. Operational scalability. Regarding your second question on operational scalability, your risk concern about our server infrastructure, Constance, I highly appreciate this constructive challenge. It has sharpened the saw. However, based on our latest engineering metrics, I must respectfully push back on the premises. Evidence based on pushback. We were recently migrated to a dynamically scaling cloud architecture. Rigorous load testing from last year demonstrated our capacity to handle a 400% traffic spike and zero latency degradation. The hard data confirms that our core infrastructure is no longer a limiting factor. Continuous improvement. By continuously stress testing this backend system, we uncover potential failure points because they impact the end user. Your question forces us to remain vigilant, ensuring our operational frameworks remain robust, efficient, and fully prepared for the projected Q4 user growth. Risk management. Your final question centered on risk management, and impending compliance manages it. This is a critical observation. The regulatory landscape is shifting rapidly, and ignoring these signals will be a strategic failure. We agree completely with your assessment of our potential vulnerabilities. The mitigation framework. To mitigate this, we have initiated a comprehensive compliance audit. Our risk matrix indicates a moderate probability of regulatory friction next year by integrating automated compliance check into our deployment pipeline now. We reduce manual oversight errors by 80%. Cross-functional accountability. As leaders, we cannot delegate the responsibility for compliance. We must own it very level of the organization. I have already tasked our cross-functional teams to align their performance KPIs with the new security standards by the end of this month. Strategic synthesis. Every challenge you present today has allowed us to significantly refine our strategic approach. To, syn- to synthesize, our aggressive market entry is validated conversion data, and scalability is proven by rigorous load testing, and our compliance risks are being actively managed. Conclusion. I look forward to delivering the measurable results and delivering results and continuing to sharpen the saw together as we drive the initiative forward. Thank you, Paul.